Welcome back to the sewing room. Happy Monday. I am going to finish off the Dolce & Gabbana shirt that I was working on during yesterday's hangout. I have got to the point where I just need to finish the bottom back seam and the two side seams, buttonholes and buttons, and then it's done. So first off, it needs to be pressed. Everything needs to be pressed. Then I can work out how I'm going to do all those things, because I've fully lined this one. It's an experiment. I have fully lined it because the fabric is very sheer, and when I made my dress from it, I fully lined that as well. You can probably hear the pitter-patter of teeny tiny Susie feet. She's bumping into everything. She might make it round here. You might just see a little ginger nose poke around the corner. Suze? Or not. So yeah, I have about 4 episodes of season 4 of Farscape left. Then I've got the 2 Peacekeeper Wars ones. I have found Stargate on Now TV, so I can start binge watching that, which is awesome. Although it's only the first 10 series, so I'm gonna 10 series. I'm gonna have to work out a way of then finding Atlantis and Universe and then the movies, and yeah, it'll be out there somewhere. I can find it. It'll be fine. But yeah, I am pleased to be back down here. I went to see Minions last night, The Rise of Gru, which was really funny. Although there was a group of teenage boys in the cinema as well who were doing this weird thing that they clearly had cooked up ahead of time, because I came out just after them and they were like, oh, that was such a good plan, man. And they were applauding, and whenever like a line came up, you know, like that you've seen in the other Minion movies and the other Despicable Me movies, they were quoting loudly, and the cinemas, there's a Susie, hi, hello. Yeah, the cinema staff came and spoke to them a couple of times to just be like, quiet. So yeah, but it was fun. It was really fun. So yeah, I'm glad I went to see it. I am very much looking forward to Thor Love and Thunder out on Friday. Cannot wait to go and see that, and we'll be doing that Friday evening, maybe even Friday day. No, Friday evening. I'm gonna be good because I have a big pile of stuff behind me here. Well, behind you. Behind me is all the things that I made last month. Behind you is all the things that I want to make this month, and it is a giant pile, so I need to get on and get those done, because I've still got way more leaves that need to be done as well. Except, yes, those are the leaves there. Right, so waffling is not going to get any of that done, so let's get this shirt finished. I've put on a really stupid outfit today for making shirts because I've got another shirt to finish over here as well. I've got my Now and Then beach pyjamas on with a Drops design cardigan, the details of which will be down in the description below. But never mind, I'm not always the most I very rarely prepare well clothes wise for the things that I'm making. It'll be fine. I'll work out a way of showing you without flashing anything that I shouldn't on the internet. Anyway, I really ought to stop waffling now. So yes, I will be back later with finished shirt. Hopefully shirts.
One eternity later.
I have a lovely new Patreon peep to say hi to. The very lovely Jennifer Keast has joined the Patreon peep, so welcome Jennifer, and thank you very much. It is much later on in the day. I have finished, oh, you can't quite see it, I finished the Dolce & Gabbana banana leaf shirt, and I have also finished my cream shirt. It's still way more see-through than I was hoping for, and I have also, because I used the same fabric to line it as I did on the outside, I put the buttonholes on the wrong side, because I just merrily put them in there thinking that was correct, and no. So it's going to button up the wrong way around, but never mind, I will try it on and we'll have a look and see what it looks like. I am so pleased with it. I am so pleased with it. Oh, these sleeves are utterly amazing, and I kind of like that the sleeves are quite sheer. It is still sheerer than I perhaps would want, but I am probably going to always wear this underneath a waistcoat, possibly under dresses as well. I'm not showing you any further down because I only have my beach pyjamas on, and yeah, definitely not decent, but I am so pleased with it. I absolutely love it. I still do need to, the vents in the side have worked really well, but I still do need to kind of just add a little bit more flare over the hips, because despite the amount of weight I've lost, it's still a little bit tight. But never mind. The vents in this one are working fine, and if I ever fully line a shirt like this again, I will do those vents. I probably won't do them if I was French seaming it, because you couldn't French seam the sides and still have the vent in at the bottom. You can, but it's not my favourite finishing technique, and it can create an area of weakness, and that's definitely not where you want an area of weakness. But yeah, very pleased with this, very pleased with this indeed, which is awesome. Let me try on the Dolce & Gabbana one, and you guys will be seeing a full video about the making of this in a couple of weeks time, and obviously you will see it in my July lookbook in full as well. I have to say though, buttoning it up from the left hand side is really weird. It's not natural at all, but it's my own stupid fault for not paying attention when I was putting the buttonholes in. I love this one too. I mean, I love this pattern. That's why I have taken so much effort to get this pattern to work as the tie front shirt, which you can just see there, and then also as the slightly longer shirt. Slightly longer shirt still needs a little bit of tweaking, but this one I'm really happy with. I've also fully lined this because this fabric is sheer, and I actually think I prefer the finish that I can get on the armholes with it being fully lined, opposed to using bias binding. But again, that's kind of just my preference. Yeah, really pleased with this one. I'm so glad that I managed to squeeze out 2 garments from this fabric. Although, as I have mentioned quite a few times, lots of the offcuts from this were from my sister-in-law as well. If she hadn't have given me her offcuts from the shirt that she made for my brother, then I wouldn't have been able to get this top out. It probably would have been another by hand London Anna. But yeah, I absolutely love this. This is gorgeous. I'm very pleased with it. I will wear this, and it will go really well with the emerald pieces that I'm hoping to make this month, and you'll be seeing those in July's fabric haul, which is coming out on Friday. So yeah, really pleased with both of my shirts. I got the majority of this one sewn up yesterday during the hangout, and the white one I basically have been sewing all afternoon. I've just noticed that I've got print, like, you know, print placement, but again, I had so little fabric that it's come out as it is, and I've managed to cut it all out with the leaves going upwards because this is a directional print, so I'm happy with that. That'll have to do. Yeah, no, it's a really lovely shirt, and it's such a nice fabric. It's a really lightweight cotton lawn, very nice to work with, very nice to wear. Very pleased. So that's it for today. 2 shirts, well, 1.5 shirts, but I am very pleased with both of them. Fingers crossed you guys enjoy the making of the basics video. I don't know if it's going to be interesting, but it's definitely something that needs to happen in my wardrobe so that I can mix and match with some of the prints that, well, with all of the prints that I enjoy making. So yeah, hopefully you guys will enjoy that video when that one comes out as well. I hope you've all enjoyed today, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye!